Hello friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup, makeup panning, and all the things I love about my makeup. Today I have my update for my project, the I Love My Makeup Project. So if you are here to see that video, then stay tuned. And yeah. Alright, this is my Love My Makeup Project. This is a project I created to fill in a gap in my schedule and to just get some use on things at my own pace, at my own speed. I started not knowing how I wanted to work on this project and ended up with 3 items for 10 uses. And I mainly stick to one for eyes, one for lips, and one for cheeks. We'll see. I'm running out of cheek products. I may go to like just general face products. We'll see. Anyway, so far, you can update this. If you want to join, you can. And you can update it any day you want. There's no set schedule. It is no end date. And yeah, and it doesn't have to be face, eyes, and lips. It can be any 3 products you want for 10 uses each, and take as long as you want because, you know, some of these things can be in here for quite a while and have no use, like one I have in today. So let's get into what I'm working on. Oh yeah, and I'm currently being joined by unapologetically Shelley. And yeah, so if you want to join, please let me know. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below, and or comment on Shelley's videos, either one. And I will try to see what you're doing. Anyway, I am working on 3 products. The first one I'm working on is an eyeshadow from my I Heart Revolution Mermaid Heart palette. And I randomly selected shade number 8, which is this beautiful blue teal here. I am not wearing it today, but that's okay. I could have, but I didn't, because I didn't. And I will give you a swatch of it there. It is a lovely matte shadow in a deep teal. My goal is 10 uses, of course. And I have not used it for a couple months. I have 4 uses so far, so I have 6 more uses to go on that. Hopefully, I will be getting some use on this palette soon. But yeah, that's been in since October, and I'm still working on it with 4 uses. So. Next is something I had much more success with is my face product, and that is my Estate highlighter. This is the Estate Do Me highlighter in the shade Pearl. It is a beautiful white pink highlighter. There is a swatch of it there. Beautiful icy white pinkish highlighter. I brought that in February, and at the last update I had used it 7 times. Over the last month I needed 3 more uses, and I met that goal. So this product is rolling out. Yay! Alright. Next is my lip product, and that is from Kokie, and I am wearing it today. It is their Lip Powder liquid lipstick. It's a very thin formula and goes on and dries down and stays pretty good. I am wearing it over some other things, so that warmed it up a bit, but it is quite a bright color. Let me see if I can get you a nice swatch without too much product. And that is what that looks there. Very bright pink. It is in the shade, it is in the shade Claret. I don't know if Kokie still sells this. I got it on clearance, but it is a lovely product, and I've only used it twice. Oh, no, take that back. 3 times, because I used it today. I used it today. So that's 3 uses, and that means I have 7 more uses to go. So I rolled out my highlighter, and that means I'm bringing in a new cheek product. I only have in my collection currently 4 blushes, and 3 of them I've already brought into this project. 1 I'm working on in another project, the 4th one. I did get a new multi-stick that I will be bringing in instead, because I am using it as a cream blush. The only cream blush in my collection. This is a deluxe sample from Ilia of their multi-stick in the shade At Last. I recently had this in another project and quite enjoyed it. You don't get a whole lot. That's all the product you get, but don't need a whole lot. It is a very stiff formula. I will give you a swatch of it over here. There is a nice soft swatch. And then, like I said, I use it as a cream blush. So blending it out, has a nice formula, dries down very lovely. And I'm going to be bringing that in. Again, this is the Ilia multi-stick in At Last is the shade. I got this from Sephora for my birthday gift for this year. So, yeah, highlighter is rolling out and then the blush is rolling in. And that is everything for this update. Simple and sweet. Like I said, if you want to join, please do so. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below with maybe a blue heart in the comment section so I know you made it to the end of the video. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!